Alam mo, Jinky, kasi some people are confused na how do we save? Is it 20% of our gross salary? Or bayaran muna natin lahat ng payables, what needs to be paid, and then yung natitira, yun ang isi-save. What's a best practice or a good habit to start saving?
Two simple principles lang. The number one, let's entertain muna the idea of having the right mindset na when it comes to saving money. The right formula or right mindset should be income minus savings equivalent to expenses. Kumita ka, magtabi ka muna, tigo muna, bago ka gumasta o gumastos.
Okay.
Because kung inuna mo talaga yung paggastos mo, ni pisong duling walang matitira. Pag inuna mo naman ang pag-iipon mo, kung ano yung matira, doon ka gumastos, meron kang talagang masusubi, meron ka talagang matitira. That's
okay.
number one. And number two, when it comes to percentage, it all depends on the capability and capacity of a person. Like for example, if you are going to start by lifting weights, what if I tell you, okay, Diego, let's start now with the 100 pounds. Do you think you can carry 100 pounds? Di ba,
That's
mabigat siya.
Yeah.
So I will ask you, ano kaya mo? Kaya ko lang siguro 10 pounds. So let's start with that. Sa pag-iipon, kung anong kaya ng tao, kung anong kakayanan ng tao, kung 5%, 5%, 10%, 10%, and as you lift more weights, di ba? From 5 pounds to 10 pounds to 15 to 20, ganun din. As your income increases, you don't increase your standard of living and spending, but you increase your standard of savings and investing.
Parang progressing, no?